So before we start simplifying anything, we need to eliminate all of our subtraction and deal with, so this is an issue, so is this. The other thing to make note of is that I have no number in front of my parenthesis here. So I kind of have two issues to deal with, but we can do that. So first things first, let's rewrite this with our adding the opposite. I'm going to make these main parentheses a little bit thicker, just because I know sometimes once you start getting too many parentheses, it gets confusing. So now this subtraction sign is going to become addition, but there's no number to make opposite, right? Add the opposite. Well, if I had to put a number there, wouldn't I put a 1? Perfect. So it's like I'm adding a -1. W plus 3. Okay, so really, just in case you want to see that a little bit clearer. So if I had to force a 1 here, then when I add the opposite, you can kind of see how my new expression happens. So following the order of operations, I cannot combine anything inside the parentheses. So I look outside and I can distribute. I can distribute my 4 into the first set of parentheses and my -1 into the next set. And you can do that all at once if you would like. You can even go ahead and multiply as one step. So I would have 8w plus -20 plus -1 times w plus -1 times 3. All of my multiplication has been eliminated. Now, if you notice, all I have is addition. So here I distribute. Now I can combine like terms, right? I just add what's alike. I have 8 w's here. I have 1 -w here. 8 plus -1 is 7w. I have -20 plus -3 is -23. Again, Alex will not allow you to put plus and a parenthesis with -23, so we have to undo or add the opposite. Adding -23 is the same as subtracting 23. Let me make that look a little better here. So your final answer would be 7w minus 23. So